Hello, this is Shashank Johari. Today I am telling about input process output that is called IPO cycle. And this IPO cycle is used in computer as well as in human beings. When we listen anything from ear, we get it into our mind and then we process it. After processing, we deliver the output to mouth or we can write on the paper using our hand. So the input is taken from ear or eyes and the processing is done in our brain and the output is given through our hand or we can speak it, and there are other things also that we can use to give the output, like expressions. We can just give a smile and one can get the answer. So there are many things for input and many things for output that we take, like we hear sound, we take the smell using our nose, and we see the things using our eyes. We can see the pictures, we can see the videos. So these are different kind of stuffs that we get into our mind and we process them. After processing, we give the answer or we deliver the output that is required. So this is in human beings. Now when we are talking about the computer, then what happens there? There is an input device that takes the input from the user and gives it to the processor, that is the brain of the computer, and there the information is processed. After processing, the result is delivered using the output devices. Like on the monitor, we can watch the result or we can take the printout using the printer. So some input devices are there that give the information to the computer, that take the input, and the processor is there that processes the information, and the output devices are there. So this is a chain. Once the input is given, it goes to the processor, and after processing, the output is given to the output device. So this is called IPO cycle. I means input, P means processing, and O means output. So this is called IPO cycle. And if the IPO cycle is not maintained, the answer cannot be given by computer or by the human being also. So this IPO cycle is very important. You cannot change the method, means you just take the output and just you give the input in wrong way, means the sequence you cannot change. The sequence will be the same. First the input will be given, and after processing the output will be given by the computer. So this is the IPO cycle, and if you learn IPO cycle well, just you give the instructions to the computer first in any program. Just you write the instructions in the program in a way so that first the input can be taken, and after taking the input the processing can be done, and after processing the result can be given. So these three sections are in each and every program in the computer. The first section takes the input, second section makes the processing, it finds the result, and the third section gives the output using different devices. So this is IPO cycle, and it is used in the programming, because in the programming these three sections are very important. Hope you have learned about IPO cycle, and if you got complete information about IPO cycle, then please like and share this video among your friends and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.